I'm Rob King. This is the Homebrew Master Plan Outtakes edition. If you haven't checked it out already, the link is above for the Cranberry Turbo Cider. Now, I love a turbo cider, and this is a really simple recipe to try. In this episode though, it could be Christmas, it could be Easter, but mostly it's just messy. Check it out. So we're 1044, we are a touch below the ideal range. My target is 1046 to 1052 if we get that 6% plus, but I'm close enough, I think, to just roll with it at that. I think depending on where this ends up, maybe 250 sugar would have been the right quantity. But let's see where this goes. Time to cool it all down. Not wasting any. Hi, I'm Rob King. Welcome to Homebrew number 35. This is a Cranberry Turbo Cider, just ready for Christmas. Oh. Still strong though. What was I going to say? I don't know. Who are you talking to? Oh, fuck it, I've forgotten that. I'll just leave it there, because so, moving on to the price and costs then. This was a pretty reasonable cost. It came in at £9.49. And if we look, most of that was spent on the cranberry juice and the apple juice. The other additions that we included was the Nottingham yeast. Oh yeah, that's the most expensive. That's 4 down and 11 to go, but I am catching up. The Pale Ale and the Dunkel have both started. The fresh fruit flavoured strawberry lime cider is going to be up next. Cheers everyone, happy homebrewing.